This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the bonnet safety catch located under the bonnet to release it. Open the bonnet and engage the bonnet support stay to secure it in the open position. Fit the locking key and slacken the wheel bolts. Slide the jack with a block under the car. Position the jack under the subframe and raise the vehicle. Position axle stands under the reinforced jacking points, lower the vehicle onto the stands, then remove the jack. The wheel bolts can now be unscrewed and the wheel removed from the vehicle. If a mud flap is fitted, use a crosshead screwdriver to remove these screws that secure it before moving on to the wheel arch liner. First, and still using the crosshead screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the arch liner to the bumper lower edge. Now using a trim removal tool, remove the plastic rivets from the inner rear of the wheel arch liner. Next, remove the plastic rivets from the front of the arch liner. Now remove the large retainers from the inner wing. You'll find one to the front of the strut and another behind it. You can now remove the entire liner from the wheel arch. Note the way the drive belt is routed. Using a spanner on the outer nut on the automatic tensioner housing, turn the tensioner clockwise to release the tension on the belt. Remove the belt from the lower pulleys. It'll be easier to remove the belt from the alternator pulley from within the engine compartment. Check the pulleys to make sure none are loose but spin freely. After checking that the new belt matches the old one for length and width, fit it to the alternator pulley from within the engine bay. Now, working from within the wheel arch, locate the belt on the lower pulleys. Pull back the tensioner with the spanner and fit the belt to the crank pulley. Fit a socket to the crankshaft pulley and rotate the engine several times to check the belt alignment and tension. With the new belt in position, refit the wheel arch liner, making sure it lines up with the screw holes. First, fit the two large retainers. These are simply pushed into place with your fingers. Now install the front and rear plastic rivets. Again, you need only your fingers to install these. You'll need a crosshead screwdriver to fix the front bumper lower edge of the liner into place, as well as the mud flap. Refit the wheel and loosely tighten the bolts. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Remove the axle stands. Then lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack from underneath the vehicle. If the front wheels have been removed, set the torque wrench, tighten the wheel bolts and remove the locking key.